Alright, this is 10229 West Golden Rain, 459.9. This is in Star. Super cool layout. Obviously RV garage. This is due to be done, it says the end of May, but I'm sure somebody's going to lock this down pretty quick. Hopefully you guys can tell what's going on here. This RV garage is friggin' massive. Brandon, I know you like all the stuff right here. Well, there it is. It's right here. I think I just went in this very similar house, but it had a loft in it. So you walk in. This is walking in through the garage. This is going to be the laundry room on the right-hand side. I'm thinking this is going to be like a linen. In the laundry. Actually, yeah, that's the laundry. It must have a laundry sink. This is the master closet. There's the master bath. It's going to be dual sinks right there. This is where the walk-in shower is. You're going to walk in right there. Shower, and then toilet with a door. This is the master bedroom. Behind it, looks like a canal. So there's a house that's back there though. So master bedroom. It's got kind of a cool window up there. I'm going to spin around actually. I know it's just framed, but so here's the master bedroom. So it looks a little smaller because it's framed. This is going to be, it looks like just a closet. It's small. So this would be out to your family room. This is where your eating area is going to be. Obviously the fireplace over there. This is a big room. And then over here, this is where the stove is going to be straight ahead on the wall. Most likely the microwave there. That's where the refrigerator is going to be over there. This is the pantry. It's a massive pantry. It's big. And then I came in this way and I went straight ahead. This is another bathroom. So there's a powder room over here. So that room off the laundry room is just storage, which is really cool. Over toward the front of the house, there's a storage right there. This is an office, but it's huge. And then over here, there's another hall. That's the front door. That's obviously not the front door, but that's the front door. Bedroom. Bathroom, another bedroom. Really cool house.